Hi, I'm Todd Polikoff, the CEO of the Jewish Community Board of Akron. I'm recording this message to let our community know about the establishment of the JCBA COVID-19 Emergency Fund. But first, I'd like to share a moment of gratitude. My gratitude stems from the fact that I am incredibly impressed and inspired by the way that our community has responded to this crisis. Whether it's our local synagogues, the agencies of the Schultz Campus for Jewish Life, or just everyday members of the community. The amount of love and empathy that is being shown for friends and neighbors and colleagues is truly moving, and I am very grateful for it. JCBA, whether in times of crisis or not, is in a constant state of working to assess and address the needs of our entire community. And as important as the current needs are, JCBA is also preparing for the needs of our community once this crisis is over. There are those among us who may be able to bounce back as soon as this crisis is over. But we certainly know that there are a number of people who will not be able to do so as quickly. Every day we are hearing about more of our neighbors and friends being severely impacted in the wake of this pandemic. It's our belief that the effects of this crisis will be felt for many months, if not years to come. That is why we have established the JCBA COVID-19 Emergency Fund, to not only address the short-term financial needs, but to also help people rebuild through employment and financial literacy assistance. 100% of the contributions to this fund will directly support individuals and families impacted by this pandemic, and will also assist those programs providing services to the most vulnerable and at risk in our community. For more information or to make a contribution, please visit www.jewishakron.org, or you can contact us at the phone number or email at the bottom of this screen. I want to leave you with a few words about resilience. And I want to do that by talking about a pine tree, specifically the lodgepole pine tree. This species of tree is common in Northwest North America, and it is one of the first trees to sprout saplings after a forest fire. This is due to the tree's pine cones being covered in a thick layer of resin. The coating is so thick that the only way for the pine cone to release its seeds is under extremely high temperatures. In essence, it needs a forest fire. In the midst of the destruction and chaos that a forest fire causes, this tree finds an opportunity to create something new and guarantees that the forest will be renewed. I believe this analogy applies to where we are today. We are experiencing a societal forest fire that is causing destruction, chaos, and upheaval. But there are opportunities within this turmoil to secure our future. Like the lodgepole pine tree, we must harness the high heat that we are experiencing and plant seeds to ensure that we will not only survive this crisis, but we will grow and thrive. Therefore, I'd like to ask, in the midst of this pandemic inferno, that you help JCBA plant seeds for the future of our community by contributing to the COVID-19 Emergency Fund. Help us ensure that our community will not only survive this forest fire, but that we will continue to flourish and prosper once it has passed. Lastly, I'd like to thank, on behalf of our entire community, our healthcare workers, first responders, those who work in our grocery stores, pharmacies, and those in the food services. You are the backbone of our community. You are sustaining us, you are saving us, and you are making us more proud every day to be in the same community with you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please take care of yourselves. Please continue to stay home. And remember that our community is always together, no matter the distance between us.